Welcome to the Richardson Library website. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Destiny catalog to search up materials that we have at Richardson. So if we just put our cursor right here on click here to search the Richardson catalog, I'm going to click on there and it takes me to the Delta School District library sites. If I just scroll down, click on Richardson Elementary, and up on the top left, right next to the home screen, there's a catalog button. I'm going to click on there and it will take me to a finding or a search area. So as you can see right over here, I'm at basic search. I'm going to do basic search and I'm going to look up an author that I'm enjoying right now, Todd Parr. And I'm going to press enter and see what results I get. So as I scroll down, I can see that these books are available because I'm going to look at here, it's the family book. And I look over here and 1 out of 1 copy is available, so I'm going to be pretty happy about that. It's in the library, and this is where I can find the call number. And the call number is EPAR. The E stands for Easy Fiction, or the picture book section in our library, and this PAR are the first 3 letters of the author's last name, so that's how we are able to find it using our alphabetical system here. So then I would be able to find that. And I could just jot that down, or I could just remember it and go find it on the shelves. And if you need help finding it, please see me or a friend. Another place that we can look, if we go back to catalog, and we want to look for, maybe we want to look for a novel that's been in perhaps the Reading Link Challenge or a different type of category that might be labeled. We come over here to copy categories. I click on there. And it takes me to a bunch of book lists, really. And if I scroll down, I can look at things like the Caldecott Medal winners that we have in our library, or a list of Canadian authors. But I'm going to actually come down here. I'm going to look at Reading Link Challenge books. So I'm going to click on there, and these are past novels that have been part of Reading Link Challenge. And I can see that there's lots of really good titles on here that might be interesting for me to read. Some of them are award winners. Maybe I'll check here on Flora and Ulysses by Kate DiCamillo. And I can see there's 2 out of 2 copies in the library available as well. So that is another option for a search. And if you want to get back from here, you're not really happy, just go back into catalog. And if you don't want to be in the copy categories anymore, you just click on basic and it will take you back here. All right, thank you very much. If you need help, please come and see me.